everyone, I'm Zach with GB Reman. We're excited to announce the release of an OE recommended fuel filter upgrade kit for the Dodge and Ram Cummins equipped vehicles. Contamination is the #1 cause of common rail injector and pump failure, and the Dodge and Ram Cummins are no exception. Many original equipment filtration systems are inadequate in removing common contaminants, resulting in premature injector and pump failure. This is especially true as these vehicles age and are being serviced. The introduction of contamination into the system can result in injector or pump failure, and in some cases can cause the injector nozzle to become stuck open, causing severe engine damage. Having clean fuel is critical for fuel injector and pump reliability, and this new kit helps reduce potential damage and improve the longevity of the fuel system. GB offers two different kits. Part number 522-050 is for pickup applications. Part number 522-049 is for the cab and chassis models. Check our catalog for detailed application information. Now let's cover some of the features of this kit. The filter is mounted to the frame rail using the included hardware between the existing engine mounted filter and fuel tank. The new filter offers improved particulate filtration, higher efficiency, and superior water separation over the engine mounted filter. The kit includes an additional water and fuel sensor for the 5.9 liter and the necessary harness to utilize both engine mounted sensor and new sensor. This provides improved early warning detection of water and fuel. On the 6.7 liter, the 2010 and later pickups do not support the use of two water and fuel sensors. On those applications, the vehicle utilizes the new water and fuel sensor in the upgrade kit. The new housing incorporates a fuel heater that is activated by the included relay and controlled by the electronic control unit. This reduces the potential for fuel gelling in cold operating conditions, which is another added benefit. Once the kit is installed, the ECU must be programmed to identify the auxiliary fuel filter. This enables the ECU to control the fuel heater and recognize the additional water and fuel sensor. This is done using a scan tool, and the procedure is covered in the install manual. This kit also comes with the necessary components to perform a professional installation. This includes the upgraded housing, wiring harness, heater relay, fittings, hardware, hoses and clamps, and of course, a comprehensive step-by-step installation manual. GB also offers the replacement fuel filter, which is part number 522-056. Please check out our other products for the Dodge and Ram Cummins, which includes injectors, high-pressure fuel pumps, fuel lines, fuel inlet tubes, and seal kits. For additional tips on servicing diesel fuel injection systems, please see our other videos. And of course, if you have questions on this or any of GB's products, feel free to reach out to us by phone, email, or on the web. Thanks for watching.